welcome back to my channel, Carmen 1530 Vlog. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Now guys, I will show you how to cook steam fried noodles. And we call in the Philippines bihon guisado. So guys, I make this bihon guisado because it's one of my friends. She requests how to cook bihon guisado. And guys, see, this is my ingredients and onion, garlic, and space. This is the most important: chicken and cabbage, carrots, and beans. Guys, if you want also to mix to put the shrimps, and it's shrimps or squid, it depends upon you if you want to mix with the seafoods. So guys, first I will I will cook the vegetable of noodles. So we will wait for this oil to be hot, and after we will put this garlic and the onion. Okay, go down. First, you put the garlic. So we will wait the garlic. So the garlic we don't cook too much, just only medium. And we'll put this onion. And then after that we will put this chicken. So I will not put all this chicken because it's too much. Because I will cook only for 4 person or 5 person for only 5 person. Guys, you know guys, this chicken, it's okay if the chicken is fresh. You chop with the small and you can mix here. But me, I boil this chicken because the water from the chicken is the one who I will use to water to the noodles, because to make our noodles more tasty. Or if you have also seafoods like shrimp, you can use the soup from the shrimp to water the noodles. You put to cook the noodles, you can put from the water from the shrimp or from the chicken, the soup from the chicken and from the shrimp. Then guys, as you can see, I will put salt, pepper. So as you can see guys, this is my spices. Just only black, ground pepper, salt, and we need this one, soya sauce, and chicken cubes, and brown sugar. So guys, I put already salt and pepper, ground pepper. So first I will put these beans because beans is too long to cook.
May pancit pa din eh. Busog ka naman.
And guys, as you can see, I have also fish here. So I'm cooking also fish because we are preparing for our boodle fight. And next, guys, so you can see the beans is a little bit half cooked, so I will put this carrots. And now we will put the soya sauce. Soja sauce. Yan. And I will put also these cubes. And mix that one. We will wait for this vegetable to cook. And I will mix these cubes. Just only half for the cubes. Yeah, that's what. This is the vegetable to mix with the noodles. And after I will show you how to cook the noodles. Now first I'll show you this vegetable to mix with the noodles. And after that, so we put a little bit salt again because I put like that. It depends upon your taste later because we will taste ground pepper again. Okay, that's it. So the vegetable we don't cook too much, just only half medium, half cook only. Yeah, this is my noodles. And guys, last thing, so we will put this vegetable, cabbage. So we will wait this cabbage to cook, and after we will we will turn off, and I will cook the noodles and we will mix together. See guys, after that I didn't taste yet, so every time I cook noodles with this vegetable, I mix with the 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Excuse me. God bless you. Yeah. Okay, that is the sign of God bless. And see guys, you can see my ingredients and my vegetable for my noodles. Yeah, it is very easy only guys to cook Chinese food or yes, noodles, fried noodles. And then so for me this one is tasty already, so I will cover this one and I will turn off the fire and cover. So it's finished already, the noodles. So I will put here. So it's just my, I don't have to, so I will put here. Yeah, so it's finished this one. After that, I will wait for this cabbage to cook. And now, I will cook the noodles. Guys, see the noodles? We will boil this. So if you don't have this water from the chicken, just boil the water. if you can see that it's too much, so we can remove a little bit because I put already like that. And wait for the water to boil. And guys, the important thing is this is the very best. Noodles tasty. I'll put 1 cubes of chicken cubes. And the best thing also is the pepper. So little sugar, salt, not too much salt, because we will put also soya. So soya sauce is the main also ingredients. Soy sauce. Yeah. This is soy sauce. It's from soja. Yeah. Soja beans. You know, soya beans. Yeah. So we'll make the water to boil, and after we will put this. It's a vermicell, and I mix also with this one, different kinds of noodles. You can buy anywhere from the shop, Carrefour, supermarket. So I already put the chicken cubes, ground pepper, and salt. After that, if we saw that we will see that the noodles will already cook, so we will mix with the vegetable. So take note, if you will cook noodles, don't overcook the noodles because it's not good. So because some of them they are cooking noodles, but they don't know if it's cooked or not. They overcook the noodles. You can see the vermicell is very easy to cook, but this other one, it's a little bit hard. It's not yet cooked, yeah, because it's different kinds of noodles. It's made from the rice, the one I don't know what made from this other one. It's from the excuse me, because of my car. Okay, God bless you. Yan. So, it's okay now. So, 3 minutes.
Bilis lang, no?
Because this noodles, it's very thin. And now, very hot. Wait for a moment. I will itapon na ako na yan kasi ilalagay ko na yung noodles dito. Guys, this noodles I will transfer, but I will not include the soup. So it's already done. It's cooked already. So I'll turn off this part. So I will put here, I will mix with the noodles and vegetables. See guys? So it's so hot, very very hot. And it's summer already here, and even inside the house, very hot. Okay. Yeah. If you you want to cook tasty food, then be patient. Ayan. Mix together with the noodles and the vegetable. Don't boil too much the noodles because here I put a little bit not a very strong fire in the medium. Yeah, I'll close first. So as you can see before, that it's only half cooked because I need also to reheat here. So I'll transfer all the noodles here and mix together. And after that, taste it if it's good for your taste and enough. Don't put nothing. For me, it's okay. Even I didn't taste. That is the real chef. Joke. Smile ka man, smile. Little chef. Yeah, Carmen, little chef. Yeah. This is the one, you know, my colleagues before. Mega love shout out to you, Irina, Iriko Kapanadse, Tamara Kapanadse, and Mihaila Batin. They like so much my noodles, my friend. They are from Georgia and Romania. I miss you, my college. Yeah, you know, before I'm always cooking them with the noodles, and they love so much my noodles. That's why I make this video for you, Iriko Kapanadse, how to cook fried noodles, so that you will know how to cook. Okay, like that you can see I mix already the ingredients, the vegetable, and I'll put a little slow fire only to we will make a little bit dry the noodles and the yeah. See guys, this is the noodles, steam fried noodles, or for us it's bihon guisado. And now guys, thank you, and I hope that you enjoy to watch me how to cook bihon guisado. Thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed yet, and please subscribe to my to my channel. Sorry, Chacha, to my channel. And the little chef is very tired already. Thank you.